Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need key permissions and active radios. Once you confirm Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on, open Zapya and allow photos and local network access. Next, tap Create Group to host a session, or choose Join Nearby to connect to another phone. This establishes a direct peer link so transfers avoid cellular. Once done, go to the Send tab, pick the files or folders you want, and hit Select Recipients. This starts discovery and prepares both devices for a rapid transfer. You choose how to send. Go to Send, pick Media, Files, or Apps and select Items. Remember you can select all to queue many items. Then watch for the recipient avatar to appear, tap it to initiate the handshake and confirm on the other device. This creates a temporary fast path so packets move directly. While the queue runs, keep Zapya in the foreground and screen awake, because the OS may pause network access otherwise, and that can stall or slow transfers. When transfers finish, tap Complete and check your Photos or Files app to verify integrity. You should see full-size images, videos, or documents saved to the correct folder. If something goes wrong, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and rejoin the group. Make sure both devices are unlocked and Zapya is foregrounded. If specific items failed, use Zapya's retry on the failed list and resend only those files. This saves time and prevents duplicating items, which keeps your storage tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.